Hey everybody, it is your travel agent David, and we are in beautiful Costa Maya, Mexico. We just got off of the Harmony of the Seas, and we're heading onto the beach break with open bar excursion. We're talking about white sands, turquoise water, and most importantly, unlimited cocktails. It is the ultimate way to spend the day in the port. Let's go check it out. And when you get off of the ship, you're going to want to look for this sign right here. All the excursions will be off to your right in zones. We've got to go find zone 4. So let's go look for zone 4. And so we have made it here to the beach break. There are a lot of vendors here. So if you're looking for something outside of the port, you're probably going to be able to find it here. They got massages, they've got souvenirs, they've got liquor, cigars, you name it, they've got it. So let's go check out some of the stuff. And one of the great things about this excursion is this green band. This green band gets you unlimited access to the open bar. I'm gonna get my money's worth today. See? You want to be on TV? Say hello. You're all over the world now.
Midget camera.
Yo sé que tú quieres y te va a gustar. Oye, mi güerita, vamos a bailar con esta cumbia que te va a gustar. Oye, mi morena, vamos a bailar con esta cumbia que te va a gustar. Ella se excita cuando yo le canto. Me dice que quiere más. Se pone bien loquita cuando yo le entro. Le doy un poquito más. Ella se excita, se excita, se excita. Ella es bien bonita, bien bonita, bien bonita. Como lo menea, dame lo que quieras. Ella es una loca, lo hacemos donde quiera. Oye, mi güerita, vamos a bailar. Yo sé que tú quieres y te va a gustar. Oye, mi güerita, vamos a bailar. Yo sé que tú quieres y te va a gustar. Oye, mi güerita, vamos a bailar con esta cumbia que te va a gustar. Oye, mi morena, vamos a bailar con esta cumbia que te va a gustar. Oye, mi güerita, vente mamacita, hago los pasitos bien prohibidos que te excita. Dime si tú quieres, vamos a bailar. Dime si te encanta.
If you want to come here on your own, it is about a 10-minute taxi ride, or you can walk about 45 minutes through town and get here. Now, as part of this excursion, they bring you out here on a bus, and then you show the taxi drivers your band, and then you get back to the port for free. We're really maybe 1.5 miles, 2 miles from the port. It's not too far away. So even if you want to just come walk out here and just check out the shops, you're more than able to do that. And then the beach part is just extra, and you can't, the pool and things like that. So it's pretty cool. I've never been out here before, and I can just tell there's a lot of people just walking around here that never even took the excursion because they're not even wearing bands. So it's just a good flexibility option for you. There are a lot of places out here that have seating areas, lounging areas, different kind of lounging areas. You've got the little tiki huts, if you will, out here. They have bigger ones down there, so it's a lot of flexibility here. Kind of giving you an idea of our location. So there's the cruise ship. You just follow the coast out of the port, and you just follow it right over here, and you're gonna come right to this beach club. So, and then you can just get whatever you want as you want it versus being part of an excursion. So it might even just be a beautiful walk to have. The sidewalk goes all the way down past there. So if you want to just come out for a walk along the coast, good option for you. All right, well, I'm gonna go make my way back and get my wallet so I can go tip those awesome bartenders. But the open bar over here, they've got Mexican beers, they've got margaritas, pina coladas, water, soda, tequila, everything. And just remember, 1 tequila, 2 tequila, 3 tequila, more. Not floor, but more. So I got a Long Island. Something lost in translation. It's more like a Isla Mujeres versus a Long Island.